Today I'm going to show you 3 powerful methods when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing. There are a lot of affiliate marketers out there who are sharing their strategies and essentially telling people what they did to become successful, which is awesome. And you may even be trying to implement some of those strategies, but if you don't understand the core concept behind what these affiliate marketers are doing, you're not going to be successful. I know things are constantly changing, but I am here to give you up-to-date information because I'm in the thick of it, I'm doing the work and the research, and that's what I'm going to be bringing to you in today's video. So without further ado, let's dive in. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've not been here before, my name is Kyla. I'm so excited to have you here, and I'm so pumped to be jumping in and talking about 3 powerful strategies when it comes to actually making money with affiliate marketing. The first strategy we're going to cover is Facebook organic traffic. If you hop onto Facebook and you are either friends with affiliate marketers or you're a part of Facebook groups that have affiliate marketers in them, you may see posts like these. Those are affiliate marketers. A couple pros with this type of strategy is 1, you can make money quick. For example, just a little while ago, I was focusing on pushing this one product called the One Funnel Away Challenge, and I really focused on Facebook organic traffic, and I ended up getting 4 sales in just a week and a half, which ended up being $400. So it's really quick, and I've seen a lot of other affiliate marketers earn quick cash through this strategy. And second, you don't have to show your face. You don't have to show up on camera. So if that's something that's holding you back from getting started with affiliate marketing, putting yourself out there online, the Facebook organic strategy might be a great fit for you. Some cons with this strategy are 1, easy burnout. And I experienced this 100% when I was making all those sales. While I was so grateful I made those 4 sales so quickly, I couldn't maintain it because it takes so much daily effort creating posts, interacting with groups. It can be a lot and it can create burnout. 2, it's not really a great strategy for creating passive income. Again, you have to create that content daily to stay up with this kind of strategy. And third, the content has a short lifespan. When you post something on Facebook, a million other people are posting at the same time and your post can be lost so quickly. And that's why it requires so much daily effort, so you can constantly keep being seen by your dream customers. The second strategy is starting a YouTube channel or a blog. While I know these 2 platforms are very different, the concept behind both of them is the same, which is creating consistent content. There are a lot of YouTube channels out there with affiliate marketers reviewing products or courses and recommending them to their audience, and same with blogs. A lot of affiliate marketers will write blog posts reviewing certain products they've tried or courses they've taken and recommending to their audience. The first pro of becoming a YouTuber or a blogger is digital real estate. You can make a video, you can write a blog post, and those videos and those blog posts will be up forever unless you decide to take them down for people to see. And so while you may not be making any money off those posts right now, once you continue to build momentum and build that audience that you want to target, that content that you made in the past will always be there and available. And the second pro is this type of strategy is amazing for creating long-term passive income. You can make a video or you can make a blog post and it can be making you money for years to come in the future. Some cons with this strategy is 1, it's slow to start. Becoming successful on YouTube, becoming a successful blogger can take quite a bit longer than growing Facebook organic traffic. It takes time to put out content, it takes time to be consistent, and for the platform to recognize you as a content creator, as an affiliate marketer. And so it can just take a lot longer to start making money from this type of strategy. The second con is it can take a lot more time and money to start. When it comes to starting a YouTube channel, you may need certain equipment, you may need to pay someone to help you create a cover photo, whatever it is, it may take some more money there. Or with blogging, if you have a certain platform you want to blog on, if you want to create your own website, it can take some more time and money versus when it comes to Facebook, all you do is hop onto Facebook, which is free, and you can start promoting organically there. It just takes some more time and maybe more of your resources. The third strategy is building an email list. And really quick, I want to read you guys a short story on the power of an email list from my favorite book, Traffic Secrets. You can grab a free copy. There will be a link down below. But on page 76, it says, "Every so often I hear the skeptics ask this question, and I always smile because I know that they don't understand how leverage works. They're used to working 8 hours a day and getting paid for those hours. If they want to make $100K per year, they have to make at least $50 per hour, work 40 hours per week for at least 50 weeks per year. When they hear about the gurus online making $100K in a weekend, it doesn't make any sense to them and they think it's a scam, but it's actually quite simple. When someone has spent the time to build a list of followers of 10,000, 100,000, or even 1 million plus people, they can send out an email to that list selling a product. To make $100K, they only need a small percentage of those people to buy the product. Yet to someone working for the hourly wage, it would take them all year to earn that amount. Recently, I sent an email to my list of 32,000 subscribers and offered them a chance to buy one of my $37 ebooks. Of those 32,000 people, only 232 of them decided to purchase, just 0.7%. But that put a quick $8,584 into my pocket. That would have taken the skeptics more than 171 hours at $50 per hour to earn the same as I did from less than 15 minutes writing the email and sending it out to my list. So as you guys can see, focusing on building a list can be such a powerful strategy. When it comes to collecting email addresses, some people think it is so complicated, but you guys, it really is so easy. All you need to do is find something that you can give away for free, whether it's a PDF, an ebook, a free training, a video, whatever it is, and then offer that in exchange for the email address. This is also known as a lead magnet. And so someone puts in their email address in order to get this free thing, and now they are subscribed to your list. You can do this by building a simple 2-step sales funnel where people can come in, they enter their email address, it automatically puts them on your list and automates the entire process for you. So you can build it once, step away, and start collecting email addresses, and then work on emailing your list. Some pros with this strategy is it can be a very profitable way to do affiliate marketing. And also, it's a great long-term business strategy. You can use this for years to come to continually bring in income. Also, you don't have to show your face in this strategy, and also it is traffic you own. This is a list of people that you can contact at any moment, at any time, and that is a huge asset for any affiliate marketer. Some cons to this strategy is it's not glamorous, it's not sexy, it may not be the most fun thing to do, and also it is going to also be slow. It may not be as slow as starting a YouTube channel or starting a blog, but it is going to take some time for you to grow that momentum. And I have a fourth bonus strategy for you guys just because I want to add a lot of value and really help you guys when it comes to affiliate marketing, and that strategy is paid ads. Some pros for running paid ads is it's a very lucrative way to make money and also very easy to scale. But some cons are that it takes a lot of trial and error, a lot of time figuring out what ads, what pictures, what hooks are going to attract your dream audience, and can cost you a lot of money long term. If you guys want to learn more about paid ads, I'm going to link a YouTube channel down below of a YouTuber named Liam James K. He describes paid ads so perfectly and simply that even for those of you who have no clue how to run ads or do anything like that, he is a great resource, so I will link that down in the description below. So there you guys go. 4 awesome strategies that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing. I would highly recommend pick one, stick with it, learn how to perfect it, because there's going to be a lot of things to learn with each one of these strategies. I hope you guys gained some value today. If you did, feel free to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe because I put out free content every single week. I'm so grateful for you guys, for watching, for being here with me, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, dudes.